everybody, this is Brad and Mark with wildlifefarming.com. We're really excited today. We've got a new supplier for wildlife farming, that's FAE Forestry Mulchers. So we're out here on our farm today running them. We've got, we're going to be offering 3 different models, some skid steer versions, some tractor 3-point versions, and some excavator versions. So you'll have all that information on our website, wildlifefarming.com, so go check out the models we're offering. And we're really excited today, Mark.
Absolutely. I mean, this is a great addition to our wildlife farming line. You guys have asked for it. I mean, people were looking for forestry mulchers, and we were looking for it ourselves. We're out on our farm today. We're wanting to build some bedding areas inside our farm in the woods. So we're going to take the mulchers in, grind out some areas. Hopefully we can give you guys a whole process on how we built these bedding areas, not only from the mulching, the soil preparation to the seeding. I mean, we're planning on putting switchgrass in some of these areas, maybe some natives, so we can bring a whole series of videos to you on what we're going to do there. But it's exciting to have FAE part of the wildlife farming family, and we're excited to get started with it.
Hey everybody, this is Brad with wildlifefarming.com. Hey, we're out here with our new FAE mulcher. I've got Adrian with FAE. We're going to talk a little bit about the mulcher we got on our skid steer here today. Just right out of here, we got an old fallow field. We're going to go in here and grind it up and turn it into a bedding area. So the goal is to mulch this up, plant some switchgrass, some other natives, and create a bedding zone out here in the middle of this bottom. But I'll turn it over to Adrian, who's going to talk a little bit about our skid steer mulcher, the DML version.
Hi everyone, this is a DML SSL VT. This is the smallest compact track loader model we have. This one has the bite limiter option rotor. This is paired with a Kubota SVL 75-2. This is going to be more of your rancher farm special head. It does a fantastic job. 5-inch material. And this is going to make a wonderful bedding out here. And taking all these small saplings out. This head is actually perfect for this pair. Horsepower range between 40 to 75 horsepower. Daily maintenance is pretty simple. It has 2 accessible grease points right here on either side, and that's pretty much it. You want to walk around your machine, make sure you're looking at your teeth and your connections, your hoses and 14-pin. But it's pretty simple, pretty low maintenance.
Adrian, one of the things we have on this unit is the hydraulic door opening, closing. What is that door going to do for us when we're out there mulching?
So the benefit of having the hydraulic door is you're able to close it and you're able to get that fine, pristine product when you're actually back dragging the material. It's going to leave finer chunks of wood that's going to be able to break down and process faster.
So as a food plotter, what that means is less wood vegetation on top of the ground, because when you're planting your seeds, if you're drilling or doing some work, you don't want all that hardcore big chunks of wood everywhere. You need that reduced down as much as possible so it rots away and doesn't interfere with the planting of your food plot. So we can create a much finer material, which makes it easier to plant into.
Hi everyone, it's Mark from wildlifefarming.com. Here today with Adrian from FAE, and we're going to talk to you about our 3-point mulcher. In addition to, we got a skid steer model, excavator models, and then we also have 3-point. The 3-point's convenient because you can hook it up to your tractor on a 3-point hitch. It comes with a hydraulic top link. Most of us guys food plotting have 60 to maybe 100, 120 horsepower tractors. The Patrizio lineup with the bite limiter, 150 is a really great unit for that size tractor. One thing you got to be key on is you do need a creeper gear for that tractor, or you need to have an IVT transmission. But most tractors in that horsepower range, you're going to have to end up adding a creeper gear to the tractor because you need to travel in that half a mile an hour type range to do it. Adrian, tell us a little bit about this machine. I know it's got the bite limiter on it and just some key features on it.
Of course. So this machine does have the bite limiter. This comes actually standard with the Patrizio. The reason we have the bite limiter, it actually helps control the amount of material you take in at a time, so it keeps that rotor speed up to constant RPMs. And as you can see, it still has the counter knives in there, so it's going to give you that nice fine product that you're really looking for.
That's really important. That fine mulch material is what you want as a result after you do it. That's organic material that's going to incorporate back into your soil. You don't want, a lot of our competitors will have large sticks and pieces and strips coming out of it. That's hard to work back into your soil. So the combination with the bite limiter and the door gives us that finer chop, along with the hydraulic top link.
Correct. So you have the hydraulic top link, so if you're going on uneven terrain, you're able to actually tilt the head in or out depending on what you actually need to accomplish that mission. You also have the adjustable skids, so if you have some stuff that you don't want, you want a little bit more rocky material, you can drop those skids down and the drum won't penetrate those teeth, but it still will be able to have enough vacuum to suck up the material in there and process everything like you want it.
It's a good point. I mean, if you drop it all the way down and put it in the dirt and rocky soils, just know you're going to spend a lot more money on knives. So we have on wildlifefarming.com a lot of tillage tools and some other things can help incorporate that material in. A lot less expensive than going in and destroying a set of knives on this machine.